Welcome to Chapter 13. Today we are diving deep into the foundations of technical SEO. We'll cover everything from status codes to crawl budgets and schema markup to ensure your site is optimized for search engines. Technical SEO is the engine under the hood of your website. It's about optimizing the technical elements to improve crawlability and indexability. Think of it as ensuring search engines can easily find, understand, and rank your content for the best possible visibility. A critical part of this is understanding HTTP status codes. These are the signals bots receive when they crawl your site. The 200 OK code is what we want. It's a success message indicating the page is functioning perfectly for both bots and visitors. But what happens when content moves? That's where redirections like the 301 code come into play to preserve your link equity. While a 301 redirect informs search engines a move is permanent, a 404 error can negatively impact your SEO by removing link value. Finding and fixing these broken links is essential. You should use tools like Google Search Console to identify these errors. Be wary of 5xx server errors as well. They hinder access, slow down crawling, and can even lead to your pages being de-indexed. Implementing redirects correctly, often through .ht or server-side scripting, ensures a seamless journey for users and bots alike. Next, let's talk speed. Website performance affects both user experience and SEO. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights are vital. To optimize, you should minify your code, use caching, and ensure you're using a fast web hosting provider. In today's mobile-first world, your site must be responsive. This means it adjusts perfectly to any screen size or device. Use Google's mobile-friendly test and implement CSS media queries to ensure your site delivers a top-tier mobile experience. Now, let's discuss crawl budget, the number of pages search engines crawl on your site during a specific period. Optimize this budget by improving speed, fixing duplicate content, and using robots.txt to prioritize your most important pages. Breadcrumbs are another helpful tool. They act as navigational aids, showing users exactly where they are in your site's hierarchy. They not only improve user experience but also benefit SEO by providing valuable internal linking and site context. For productivity, many SEOs use Chrome extensions like Mozbar or SEO Quake to analyze on-page elements and backlinks quickly. One of the most powerful tools in technical SEO is schema markup. This structured data helps search engines understand your content better. There are many types of schema, including articles, products, and reviews. Each helps your content appear as informative, rich snippets. Schema code is typically written in JSO NLD format and added directly to your HTML. Here is a basic example of what it looks like. Always validate your markup using Google's rich results test to ensure it's implemented correctly and free of errors. Finally, let's look at sitemaps. XML sitemaps are for bots, providing an efficient list of URLs to crawl and index. In contrast, HTML sitemaps are for users, helping them navigate your site. They have limited SEO value compared to XML. A robots.txt file is also crucial. It instructs crawlers on which pages to index and which to ignore. When you have similar content on multiple URLs, use the canonical tag to tell search engines which version is the preferred one. To control how your content appears on social media, implement open graph tags and Twitter cards for a richer sharing experience. And never forget security. HTTPS encrypts data between the browser and your site, building essential trust with your visitors. Implement HTTPS by obtaining an SSL certificate. It's a key factor for both security and search engine rankings today. You can use tools like SEMrush's Site Audit to monitor your site's health and find any status code errors automatically. To recap, stay on top of your status codes, prioritize performance and mobile usability, and leverage schema and sitemaps. Mastering these technical foundations will give your site the best chance to thrive in search rankings. Today, we are diving deep into the art and science of optimizing your web pages for both search engines and users. On-page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, is the process of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. But before we get into the techniques, let's clarify the difference between on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO covers anything you can do on your own web page. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, involves external factors like backlinks, social media signals, and digital PR. Both are vital, but you have full control over your on-page factors. So why is on-page SEO so critical? Google's algorithm is constantly evolving, but it consistently prioritizes user experience and people-first content. Search engines use on-page elements to check if a page matches a user's search intent. If it's relevant and useful, Google serves it to the user. Let's dive into our 9 key techniques. First and foremost, write unique, helpful content. This is the bedrock of your SEO strategy. Start by performing keyword research. Tools like Keyword Magic can help you find relevant topics and target keywords with high search volume and manageable difficulty. Don't just chase high volume terms. Target less competitive long-tail keywords too. They often have lower difficulty and can be easier to rank for. Technique number 2. Place your target keywords strategically. Google scans your content to see what it's about, and your readers do the same. Ensure your target keywords appear in your H1, your first paragraph, and your subheaders. This provides context for both Google and your users. A great pro tip is to use the on-page SEO checker. It provides actionable ideas by comparing your site's content against the top 10 ranking rivals for your specific target keywords. Next, write keyword-rich title tags. These are the HTML elements that indicate the title of your page in search results and browser tabs. Keep them brief, between 50 and 60 characters, to avoid being cut off. Include your target keyword and make sure every title tag on your site is unique. The tool lets you know if you've used keywords correctly in the H1 and body of the page. It even detects issues like keyword stuffing that might accidentally hurt your rankings. Technique 4. Write click-worthy meta descriptions. While they don't directly influence rankings, they are crucial for your click-through rate. Think mobile first and keep descriptions under 120 characters. Use an active voice and always include a clear call to action to entice users to click. Moving on to technique 5. Use headings and subheadings to structure your page. This creates a visual hierarchy that helps users skim your content. H1 tags serve as your main headline, while H2s and H3s cover subtopics. This structure helps Google understand the hierarchy and context of your information. Technique 6. Optimize your URLs. Google recommends using simple, descriptive URLs that aren't cryptic or intimidating to users. Avoid random numbers or full sentences. Instead, use words relevant to your content and include your target keyword for maximum clarity. Next, strategically add internal links. These are hyperlinks that point to other pages on the same website. Internal links help search engines understand your site's structure and signal that certain pages are valuable. They also keep users engaged on your site longer. Technique 8. Add external links to authoritative sources. Linking to trustworthy sites in your niche enhances user experience and builds trust. Use natural anchor text that describes what readers can expect. Balance the number of links to avoid looking spammy, focusing on high-quality citations. Finally, technique 9. Include and optimize images. Visual content increases your chances of ranking in image searches and keeps users interested. A crucial step is writing descriptive alt text. This provides context for search engine crawlers and enables screen readers to describe images to users. Now that we have covered the basics, let's look at 4 advanced SEO tactics to take your optimization to the next level. Advanced Tactic 1. Focus on user engagement. This involves optimizing page speed, crafting high-quality content, and improving readability. To improve readability, use short paragraphs and concise sentences. Choose a readable font and ensure high contrast between text and background. Don't forget mobile friendliness. With most users browsing on mobile, responsive design and easily tappable buttons are essential for engagement. Well-placed calls to action help guide users to desired actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or purchasing. Use action-oriented language and place them prominently. Encourage user interaction with polls, quizzes, and surveys. These interactive elements make your site more engaging and memorable for every visitor who lands on your page. Understanding how users interact with your site allows for data-driven improvements. Regularly analyze your data to identify and address any barriers to user engagement. Advanced Tactic 2. Optimize for page speed. It's a confirmed ranking factor and critical for a smooth user experience. Pay close attention to your core web vitals: largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift are the metrics Google uses to measure speed. Use tools like Page Speed Insights to identify issues. Compressing images, enabling browser caching, and using a CDN can significantly boost your performance. For more in-depth information on technical errors, use the Site Audit tool. It provides a comprehensive view of your core web vitals and specific improvements for each page. Reviewing your site performance and markup reports regularly ensures you catch errors early. This consistency helps maintain a high-quality technical foundation for your SEO. Advanced Tactic 3. Target featured snippets. Appearing in position 0 above other organic results can drastically boost your click-through rate. Featured snippets come in many forms, including definitions, tables, and lists. To target them, answer user queries in a concise and friendly way. Research your keywords to see which ones already have featured snippets. Understanding user intent is key to taking that top spot. Use the SERP analysis feature to see what the search results look like for your target keyword. This view is independent of location or user behavior, giving you a clear benchmark. Target snippets by answering queries concisely and catering directly to search intent. Format your answers as tables, lists, or even short videos to increase your chances. Finally, Advanced Tactic 4. Add schema markup. This structured data helps search engines better understand the information on your website. Schema provides rich snippets in the search results, like star ratings or event dates. This makes your listing more valuable and appealing to users. Beyond recipes, you can add schema for reviews, products, events, and local businesses. This variety helps your content take up more valuable space on the search results page. Visit schema.org for a full list of types. You can even use the Site Audit tool to verify that your structured data has been implemented correctly and alert you to any issues. We've covered a lot today, from the basics of keyword placement and title tags to advanced tactics like schema markup and page speed optimization. On-page SEO is an ongoing process of improvement. Start with the basics, move to the advanced tactics, and watch your rankings grow. Thanks for joining us.